Now the next topic is inserting objects in a slide. So let us read out this paragraph and we'll see after reading of this, we'll see the live example how we can insert an object on PowerPoint presentation. See, till now we have learned how to insert a picture or clip art inside a slide. In this chapter we will one step further ahead and learn how to insert shapes and smart art in PowerPoint. First we'll see of insert shapes. First point, click on insert tab, click on shapes button from the illustration group. Many different options will appear on the screen. Select U-turn arrow from the block arrow. Go to the slide pane and draw a shape by holding the left click and dragging the mouse. Next slide is this one. This is the U-turn arrow and we'll see how we are going to draw this. After clicking on insert option, you can see first we'll see this particular diagram. After clicking on insert option, there will be another option of shapes. When you click on shapes, this particular menu bar will be open. From this menu bar option, you can select any image, not only U-turn. It's just an example given in your book. You can take any shape from here and you have to click and drag the mouse so that you can expand the shape of that particular image or shapes. Now let us see how we are going to do this in PowerPoint presentation with the help of live example. See, I will take this is our slide. Let me remove this. Cut, click. Then what we have to do, again we have to go on insert menu bar option. See, I have clicked on the insert option. You can see here insert option is here. After clicking on insert option, there is an option of shapes. You can see here there is an option of shapes. After clicking on insert option, there is an option of shapes. Then we have to click on this option, shape. Now you can see you have got different types of shapes. Recently used shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, charts and banner, callouts, action buttons. There are different types of shapes present on this particular menu bar. So if you want to take, I will say suppose I will take this smiley. See, I have taken this smiley. Now what we have to do, we have to click with the help of mouse. Click means always left click. We have to click and drag. See, drag का मतलब होता है खींचना. You have to click and drag. जितना आप उसे ड्रैग करेंगे यानी खींचेंगे उतना ही शेप बड़ा होते जाएगा. जितना उसको अंदर की तरफ उसको ड्रैग करेंगे उतना वो छोटा होगा. बाहर की तरफ उसको खींचेंगे तो वो बड़ा होगा. सी, नाउ कमिंग टू एंड पर्टिकुलर शेप यू हैव टू लीव द बटन. सी, नाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर स्माइली is been drawn in front of you with the help of shape option. So the next option what we have to use is we have to change, or you have to suppose after selecting any shape from the shape option, again you have to increase the size of the shape or decrease the size of the shape. So again we have to use this particular handlers. See, if I am clicking on this, you can see now you can see the two images. Two images means this image is your previous image and this one will be the new image after increasing the size. And now if I am decreasing the size, see, so this is your new old image and this one will be your new image, the decreased one. That means it will show you both the preview, the old and the new one, while you are dragging in or dragging out. See, now you can see the image has been increased. Suppose if I have to reduce the size of this particular shape, now I have to drag inside. If I am dragging inside, this is the previous image and this one is our new image after dragging inside the cursor. Now see, the shape has been reduced. So in this way you can insert the shape, even you can reduce or increase the size of the shape. I hope you have understood this topic also.